Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a private server in a Roblox for Banana Eats. So to do that, go ahead and find Banana Eats in Roblox. As you can see, I already have it right here. But for you, you can simply go ahead and type in Banana Eats and you will find experience within Roblox. So once you click on Banana Eats experience, you will be taken over to the pages where you can find Banana Eats. Go ahead and click on that and you will be taken over to that page. Now, if you look below the image right here, you will see that you have about, store, and servers. Click on servers and here you have create private server. Keep in mind that to create a private server, you will need to have 100 Robux. So if you don't have any, you just want to go ahead and click on create and you will be able to go to the Roblox store, purchase some Robux as you can see, and then from here you'll be able to create your private server. But that's how easy it is, guys. Once you have that, you'll be able to create your private server for Banana Eats. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.